Looking to make healthy snacks at home? In this video, I'll show you the top 5 food dehydrators available on Amazon. Perfect for making jerky, dried fruits, and more. Let's find the ideal one for your kitchen. This affordable option offers a quick-drying solution with its stacking trays and transparent design, allowing easy monitoring. Best for large families or big batches. Its tray system provides ample drying space with superior airflow, ideal for big dehydrating projects. Budget-friendly with a top-mounted fan for even drying. It's expandable up to chibi trays, making it versatile for various food types. A mid-sized, compact machine with even heat distribution, making it great for small kitchens. Comes with dishwasher-safe trays and a sleek design. Offers consistent drying with its rear-mounted fan and adjustable temperature settings. Perfect for those who need a reliable, larger capacity machine for all kinds of snacks.